Let's talk about the IELTS writing on the computer and the few things to keep in mind before the exam. In this video, I will be sharing some of the similarities and the differences with the paper-based. Let's start learning. Alright, so before we get started with this video, I just want to give a big shout out to one of our students who had actually specially requested for a writing video about the computer-based. So this one is for you, buddy. Thank you so very much for taking the time to drop a comment. And this also means that if you, whoever is watching this video, has any special request, please put it in the comment section. Let's start with the first one, which is the content. The content is absolutely the same between the paper and the computer-based. You have two different parts, that is a task 1 and a task 2. Task 1 will be for 20 minutes and your task 2 will be for 40 minutes. You will have the same different question types. There are everything, whatever you get is absolutely the same. The second thing is there is no autocorrect. Now, even though it's a PC, there is no autocorrect. Autocorrect means, like, say for example, you are typing into the computer. You will see certain red small lines that come when your spelling is wrong. Unfortunately, this does not happen for the exam. So you have to be careful of your spellings and you have to make sure that it is always correct. The next thing is you can move between the different sections, which means to say when the test starts, you can go in front or you can go back. You can start from your task 1 or your task 2. Any order is fine. It's not specific that you have to start with your task 1, because I know a lot of students prefer to start with the task 2 and then move on to the task 1. So that is same for the paper or for the computer. The next one is you will be given a word counter on your screen. This is something that I really like when I compare it with the paper-based, because for the paper-based, you have to actually sit and count how many words. Like for the task 1, you need around 150 words, and for the task 2, you need around 250 words. For the paper-based, you have to manually sit and count. But here, the computer does all the counting for you, and because of that, you can save a lot of time. One really good feature, which I really like. Before we jump on to the fifth feature, I would just like to remind you that if you are getting some value out of this video, then all you have to do is hit that like button and let us know. The fifth one, which I was telling you, is you don't have to keep looking at the clock. Usually for the IELTS exam, you will have a big clock in front of you, and when you're writing, you have to keep looking and write. But here, the clock will be there, but it's on your PC. So you can see clearly how much time has been taken and how much time is left. So that is something that you really like, or rather I like, and I'm pretty sure even you will like. Also, you will not be allowed to take in your watch. So this will solve the problem. The sixth thing is you will get a split screen, which means to say your screen will be divided into half. You can see that question that is of your task 1 or your task 2 on the left hand side, and whatever you type will come on the right hand side. There will be scroll bars where you can go up and down of the question. Okay. The seventh is about some extra options that will be given. That is, you can highlight certain things, you can take down notes, you can change your text size, background color, etc. Basically, the only thing that is useful is highlighting. Some people like to highlight the certain part in the question to find out which is the main idea. So this will be useful. The eighth thing is about taking down notes. You will get a paper and a pencil for the exam. You can take down notes, you can scribble on it, no problem. However, you will not be allowed to take it home. You have to give it back to the invigilator. Now, we would love to have you on our YouTube community, and for that, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, this channel of course, and make sure to hit that bell icon to get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Alright, now let's move on to the next one, the ninth one. which is, can you use capitals or not? Well, it's better and very much advised not to use capital letters in your writing. You see, even for the writing on the paper based, please don't use capital letter for your writing, because it just shows that you have no idea about the capital letters and small letters. So please just write in the normal text form on the computer. Avoid capitals. The next one is practice. Please make sure that you are doing some good amount of practice before jumping into the exam. You can get some free materials on the official IELTS website. I will put a link to it at the bottom, so do check it out. We can help you with that. All the materials that we use on our website for our teaching is completely authentic material. Our learning platform is ideal for computer test takers. To get in touch with us, all you have to do is log on to our website, send us a quick enquiry, and we will get back to you. Let me know in the comment section below if you've got any further doubts in the IELTS writing or in the IELTS in general, and I will definitely get back to you. If this video was informative, then all you have to do is share it with your friends and help us to spread the word. You can also check out some of our other videos that will be popping up here somewhere. Until we meet again, this is your tutor Noel wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.